This is the stone. And here it dwells. It wasn't born. It was formed. It wasn't made. It happened. Memory carved it. It has been shaped into what it is. One of a kind. The result of millions of years of work. Tectonic. Physical. Chemical. Like someone returning from far away, still remembering the way back. Perhaps it's true what they say, that art only imitates, and beauty was already waiting long before we arrived. It is imperfect, and that's what makes it exact. It is here. After everything. Returned. Not as it was, but as it was meant to be. This is a stone, yes. A finished masterpiece. Or perhaps the beginning of another. One of one nature masterpiece.